Hello everyone, greetings. My name is Christopher. Okay, so in this video, I'll be giving you a complete overview of the ONE-DA CALC. Okay, ONE-DA CALC stands for Omni-Numeric Engine and Data Analytics Calculator. Okay, so this is not just a your usual calculator. Okay, it is a numeric engine which can be used to do a wide range of calculations and conversions. Also, it can be used for data analysis, okay, which I'm going to show you in a short while. Okay, meanwhile, let me walk you through the interface of this calculator. Okay, so here we have the standard calculator interface, which you can use to do any sort of arithmetic or numeric calculation. Okay, for instance, if I say 7 times 10, it gives you 70. I can quickly adjust the value. I can say, let's say 10% of 70. You can see it has given me 7. I can also do other manipulation on the calculation result I got. Okay, by clicking on adjust, I can convert, okay, 7 meters to yards. Okay, so I can do conversion on the calculation results I got. Okay, so we also have scientific calculator, okay, for those who use this function. Then the most interesting part of this calculator is the date calculator. Why I said this is interesting, I'll show you in a few minutes. Okay, so we have the difference calculation. This can be used to calculate the difference between two dates. Let's say a past date and a future date or present date. It will show you the number of days, hours. For instance, let's say difference between 2nd June 2025, okay, to 2nd June 2026. Okay, so if you calculate the difference, you can see the difference is 1 year. Total, sorry about that, total number of days is 365, weeks 52, months 12, hours. Okay, you can see the minutes, you can see the years. So this date difference is useful to find the difference between two dates in the past and in the future or present. Then we have the add and subtract. This can be used to subtract any number of days from any past date or future date to give you the the dates of the subtraction. Okay, so if I should show you an example, let's say we want to subtract this 2nd of June. Let's say we want to subtract uh, 1 week. Okay, let me just say I want to subtract 1 day from 2nd of June. It should give me 1st of June. You can see, so if I subtract 12 days, it should give me 21st of May. So you understand it, right? Okay, so the interesting part of this dates calculator is the journey. Now the journey enables you to create beautiful cards, which, for instance, if you are undergoing a journey in terms of, for instance, let's say weight loss journey, okay, milestone, you want to reach a milestone, or whatever journey you're going through, or your birthday, for instance. Let me see the date of birth. My date of birth is 1989. Okay, April 6th to dates, or to, let me use this past April 2026, that's 6th of April 2026. Okay, so I use my birthday, my birth date, then my recent birthday, so I can also add, select a photo, any photo. Let me use this photo. So I can generate a journey. You can see the beautiful card that was generated. This is my current age, 37 years. Okay. This is the total minutes I've lived on Earth. This is the total hours I've lived on Earth, total days, total weeks. So I can download this card as an image and share to my profile. Let's assume I'm doing a, like, trying to celebrate a milestone in my weight loss journey or in my academics. I can choose the date I began the journey and the current date, maybe the date I ended the journey or the current date so far. And I can use this journey card to celebrate a milestone. So you can see why I said this date feature, uh, this journey feature in the date calendar is very useful and exciting. Okay, so that being said, let's look at a different aspect of the calculator, the ONE-DA calc. Okay, so for instance, you have seen the unit calculator when I use the smart panel. The smart panel lets you compute or modify your calculation results. So if I swipe up now, if I swipe up, you can see the quick adjust panel, which lets me modify or change the result I have, maybe by finding a percentage of the result, increase in percentage, split, which is useful when you want to split bills. Maybe you calculate the total bills you you and your friends are to pay at the restaurant. Then you can use the splits to split the bills amongst all of you. Okay. We also have the value added tax feature. You can add a VAT. You can add a discount from the value you have and round it up. You can do other computation on your value using the quick adjust panel, okay, which you get by sliding up, okay, swiping up rather. Okay, so you have seen the unit calculation. We have the currency converter. Okay, currently I'm in Nigeria. Okay, so I can quickly refresh this. okay, to get the current conversion rate. Okay, I can see US dollar to the euros. Okay, so I can also click on use results. You see, I clicked on use results. Okay, to use the result in the calculator screen, maybe to multiply it by a particular number or do some calculations on this conversion rate. So all I need to do is to click on use results. It will appear on the calculator screen. So we also have the crypto converter. This is very useful if you want to convert the value of one crypto to another. Let's say one Bitcoin, for example, gives you 35.609332 Ethereum. Okay, we have finance calculator. Okay, real estate, forex calculator. It enables you to calculate your size, which gives you the lot size. If you want to enter a trade, you can use it to find the lot size. Okay, you have profit and loss calculator, you have pips calculator, you have margin calculator, then we have also stocks. Okay, that's various stocks related calculation, profit and loss, arrow, cap, EPS. Those who are into stock will understand all this. Then we have uh, revenue calculation, very useful to calculate your social media return on investment, ads, CPA, CPM. Okay, we have measurement builder is useful for calculating like room area, number of tiles needed, volume, and custom length or measurement calculation. Then here we have the data analytic feature, the traffic tool here can be used to monitor traffic of any website. All you need to do is to enter the domain name here. Okay, enter your domain name. For instance, I have this website. Sorry about that. Let me go back to the traffic tool. I have this website. I'm monitoring light and perfection. Okay, you can see the traffic metrics. I got 70 visitors in 24 hours, 200 page views. Okay, you can also see the top countries. Okay, you can see the top pages, unique views. You can see the recent IP that visited the website. Okay, so this is a very useful tool. Okay, on the website, you also have a widget that shows you the online visitors. You can switch it on or off by going to the settings. Okay, so I can toggle the widget on the website on or off. Maybe you want to showcase your daily traffic to your website visitors, online user count, page views count, and all that. You can toggle this on. It will be displayed on your website. In the lower right or left corner, you can choose the position where you want to display the widget. Okay, so currently it is set at the bottom right corner. Okay, so this is a very useful widget for those who want to monitor their traffic. Then we have the web tools, a suite of very useful web tools. Here we have the Hex to RGB Color Converter. So if you have a hex code like this, you can convert it to RGB. Or if you have an RGB code, let's say, you can convert it to hex. You understand? Okay, let's say 5021. Okay, so you also have the domain to IP. You can enter a website, let's say google.com, and click on resolve IP. Okay, to resolve this domain, google.com, to its IP address. You also have my IP. Clicking my IP will detect your current IP. Currently, I'm in Nigeria, Lagos. You can see the ISPs MTN Nigeria, Africa, Lagos. Okay, we have the domain age checker. This can be used to check the age of any domain. We have the my browser will give you details about your browser, the current browser you're using. We have site price. Okay, uh, here it will give you an estimate. For instance, you have a domain or website you want to sell, so you just enter the domain name, the age of the domain, okay, which you can use the domain age checker to find out, and the monthly visits. It will give you an estimated price which you can sell your website for. We have the page size checker. This checks the size of a page for SEO. The smaller the page size, the better. We have keyword CPC. Okay, cost per click. You can use this to check the costs per click, of your ad spend and all that. We also have keyword density checker. Here you paste your content, it will give you the density of the keywords contained in your content. We have words counter. If you paste your content, it tells you the number of words, number of characters, and spaces. Then we have the QR code generator. QR code generator will generate QR code for any URL. Okay, so that's that for the web tools. Okay, so another cool feature of this uh, ONE-DA Calc is that you can embed any tool to your website. For instance, I can embed the full calculator, or I can come to, let's say I want to embed the crypto converter. So I select it and copy the embed code. This is the embed code. So I can copy and paste it in a widget container, any HTML container in my website, maybe to display it in the sidebar for my visitors to use. Okay, so there are more features I can't include in this video. If not, this video would take so long. It's already 20 minutes long. So guys, check the ONE-DA Calc out. You can leave your feedback using this send feedback button to give us a feedback about what you think of the calculator or any suggestion. you feel maybe we should improve on the application. Not forgetting you have your daylight and night mode. You also have your settings panel. As a user, you come to the settings. You can add your OpenAI API key to use your own AI. Okay. You can also set the tool layout at the bottom. Currently it's at scrollable pills. You can use bottom dock, accordion grid, carousel card, whatever you prefer. Okay guys, so that's it for this overview. If you have any question, you can ask your question in the comment section, or if you want me to build an app like this for you, okay, you can also contact me. Maybe it may not be the same, a personal app for any purpose. You can contact me. Thanks for watching this video, guys. You can sign up for free to use ONE-DA CALC. Okay, it's free for now, so grab the opportunity and use all these premium features for free. Thank you guys. See you on the next one.